Jaisalmer in Rajasthan is famous for its golden desert and historical heritage. Located about 40 kilometers from the city, the Sam sand dunes give tourists the real experience of the Thar Desert. These sand dunes, ranging from 30 to 60 meters high, glow like gold during sunrise and sunset. Tourists visiting the Sam sand dunes can enjoy many activities. Camel safari is the most popular, offering an unforgettable ride through the desert sands. For adventure lovers, options such as jeep safari, paramotoring, parasailing, and paragliding are also available. In the evenings, cultural programs like folk dances, puppet shows, and traditional music are held in desert camps. Camping under the stars and tasting local cuisine make the evenings even more special. Evenings at Sam sand dunes come alive with the richness of Rajasthan's culture. Folk dance, songs, traditional music, and performers dressed in colorful costumes give visitors a unique experience. Spectators can even join in the dancing with the artists if they wish. These cultural events are usually organized in desert camps or open-air stages and last for about 1 to 2 hours. For accommodation, there are options for every budget in and around Sam sand dunes. Desert camps like Royal Desert Camp and Rajputana Desert Camp cost between 1500 to 5000 Indian rupees per person. Hotels and resorts provide modern and luxurious experiences as well. Options like Hotel Rang Mahal and Golden Haveli are suitable for mid-range budgets, while Suryagarh and Jaisalmer Marriott Resort fall in the premium range. The best time to visit Sam sand dunes is considered to be between October and March. During this period, the weather is pleasant, and tourists can enjoy events like the Desert Festival, Camel Fair, Diwali, and Holi. Coming here in the summer or monsoon season can be difficult. There are many sightseeing places around the Sam sand dunes as well. The Desert National Park is home to rare birds and wildlife. Khuri village offers experiences of rural life and traditional dishes. The village of Kuldhara is known for its mysterious and abandoned settlement. On the other hand, Jaisalmer Fort and Gadisar Lake introduce the city's historical and natural beauty. Dal bati choma, ka sangri, bajra roti, and garlic chutney bring out the authentic flavors of Rajasthan. For shopping lovers, camel leather bags, colorful Rajasthani jewelry, handicrafts, and embroidered clothes make excellent choices. To fully experience this place, 2 to 3 days are enough in and around the Sam sand dunes. The golden sands, folk culture, and desert nights leave every traveler with an unforgettable memory.